In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Excel charts in a slide in PowerPoint. This is a handy skill, especially when you need to present data that's clear, dynamic, and easy to update. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Excel file that contains the chart you want to transfer. Make sure you're clicking directly on the chart area so the entire chart is selected, not just a cell near it. When the chart is selected, right-click on it and choose Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl and C on Windows. This places the chart, along with its visual details, onto your clipboard and gets it ready for your slide. Now switch over to PowerPoint, open your presentation, and go to the slide where the chart fits best. If you're still deciding where it belongs, think about where it supports your message most clearly, often near the point where you're discussing the data. Once you're on the right slide, right-click on an empty area of the slide. You'll see a menu with several paste options. This is where you make your key formatting and linking choice. You have two main link and paste options. The first is Use Destination Theme and Link Data. Choose this if you want your chart to automatically match your PowerPoint design. It will adopt your presentation's colors, fonts, and overall look while staying linked to the original Excel data. This is ideal when you want a cohesive, professional appearance across all slides without extra formatting work. The second option is Keep Source Formatting and Link Data. Pick this if you've carefully designed the chart in Excel and want to preserve that exact look. Your colors, fonts, and layout from Excel will carry over and the chart will still be linked to the Excel data. It's a great choice when the original styling is important for readability or brand consistency. After you decide, click the icon that represents your chosen option. Your chart is now embedded and linked in your PowerPoint slide. From here on, any changes you make to the data in Excel will automatically update your chart in PowerPoint, keeping your presentation accurate without manual rework. If an update doesn't appear right away, simply revisit the slide or switch views to refresh it. And that's it. Quick, reliable, and presentation ready. You've learned how to embed an Excel chart into PowerPoint while keeping it linked for effortless updates. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.